Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do my unboxing of the OnePlus Watch 2. So this is coming out very shortly. You're going to have the available pre-orders soon. I think it's February 26th, with regular sales being open on March 4th, if I remember correctly. And there's some really great deals about trade-ins and everything like that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's been a bit of a OnePlus love fest here. I'm really liking the ecosystem. I'm really gonna have to try to do a 30-day, I won't call it a detox, but get rid of the pixels and just try the OnePlus realm and see what that's like. But in the meantime, before I give you a full review on anything, let's do an unboxing. What do you get with this watch? So first off, it's a $400 watch. Again, there's going to be sales and trade-in values on any watch. They really hype up to that, any watch. Doesn't have to even be a smartwatch. You can give them anything. They will give you $50 off this watch if you trade it in. So there you go. Make it down to $350, which really puts it down on the price point of the Pixel watch and their stuff. But this is going to be a little, I won't say classier, but definitely looks more traditional style. Like that, people know that looks like a smartwatch. All right, let's put that there. Okay, so let's open this box up, and we got our traditional sort of seating for the watch. We'll plop that out. But let's take a look what's inside, because my big thing is, what does a charger look like? Now, they talk about this thing having a 100-hour battery. It's a 500 milliamp hour battery. Now the 100 hours, is using, they say it's supposed to be using the smart features all the time. Okay, that's just the manual. But we'll see how that goes. Yeah. What's in here? All right, here's the charger. Now, okay, so this is one of the things I wanted to double check on the charger, is what does it have? And you can see, okay, so it'll be a USB-C port, which is great. I have a lot of USB-C sticking around, which I like this feature actually. I don't have to bring the whole cord and kit, charging with me. I can just bring the little pod, plug that in and charge it. But it does use pogo pins, so it will need to be oriented properly to sit on it right, and that's going to be a bugbear for me at some point. It's got some cord in there, but all I really need, honestly, is just that piece. All right, because I have USB-C cables coming out the wazoo. Okay, that goes away. That's what we see. It's in there. Well, let's take a look at this. This is a 1.4 inch screen, so I'm going to be nice back to a fairly large size screen, and it's actually decent size. I gotta admit, I really like the size, and it's got a good heft to it. So those watch people out there that like the fancy watches, this is got some weight to it to give you that. Then you've got something substantive on your wrist. Okay, I don't want to rip these, but I can't get this off. Oh, I hate ripping anything. I like putting anything right back in the box if I can. I don't know if I... Do you do that? Do you make sure everything goes right back in the box the way you got it, so that everything looks exactly was brand new? Oh no, I'm gonna have to rip it. Oh well. Okay, gonna rip it. Ugh, there we go. Ugh, hurts. Okay, so let's take a look at the Pixel Watch for size. You can see it is going to be a larger size. Damn, I'm just going to hold that button down to turn it on and see. I guess not. But there's the pogo pins. I'll have to get that oriented there, so it fits on the hand. It's not bad. It doesn't feel too out of place in terms of size-wise. Like my Pixel feels pretty small comparatively to that. And then compare it to the old TicWatch I used to love. In terms of size, they're about the same. Same size watch. The TicWatch was by far skinnier than this guy. This guy's got some bulk to it. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Looking forward to seeing how the battery lasts on it. It's got a 2 gigs of RAM, so it should operate everything just perfect. It's got a nice crown there. And then one thing they tout is the fact that it's got 2 chips. So normally it has a Snapdragon in there to sort of run all the smart features, but also has a BES chip in there, the BES, term they call RTOS, which is sort of the background standard things like steps and stuff like that, and the clock, I guess you could say. So it splits its tasks that way, and that's how the battery can last as long as it needs. But yeah, I'll start using it and let you know what I think. Have any questions? Shoot away.